Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna make four things from Minecraft and Minecraft 1.20. Let me show you all of them. First, we got some wheat. Okay. Next, we got the new cherry blossom sampling. Isn't it cool to see a cherry blossom biome? Actually, it has two names: cherry blossom and cherry grove. Why doesn't and the weird thing is, why doesn't it have a fruit if it's a cherry blossom plant, right? I know, but it's in Japan. Yeah, actually I know some of Japan things. Now next we have got the diamond and diamond helmet with the quartz crystals, I think. And last for now, I'm showing you cake. The best thing that everybody loves in Minecraft. See. Now let's get building, okay? Let's get started. So now we're gonna make it. Starting with, we're gonna make the wheat, okay? Let me just destroy it. Okay, now I've destroyed it. Now let's get started. Now you need 4 of these parts, okay? 4 of these. Okay, now we're putting this. See here. Now put this on the bottom, okay, not the upper, because you know that's not how it works. I know this is illegal, but we have to build it like this. See, like this, okay? It's not the bottom, it's the top, okay? Nextly, we need 4 of these thingies. I don't know what it's called, okay? So we're gonna do this, and last one, not least, these two. Now look, we have our wheat done. Actually, don't eat it, because you know this is Lego. Next up, we're gonna do the Lego, the cherry blossom sampling. Just do this. Get this plate. Any type of plate you can get, okay? Then do this. Then do this. Then if you don't have this pink color one, then you can just get a green one, because green one exists. Or if you have, then you can put it. Now look, where cherry blossom sampling is done. Next, we're gonna make his helmet. I know it's very hard. Just don't put in the comments that my plates got stuck, because I only got one plate off right now. I'm gonna take while getting this off. Okay. Okay. So it took a minute to get these off. A minute and a half. A minute like one. Well, I mean 2 minutes, because plates are very hard to get off in Lego, because I don't have the brick separator. If I had, but not now. Now we're gonna get this, put this one plate at this and this here. If you don't have this is light blue, this is a white plate, you can just simply get a red plate and put it on, then it will look like it has redstone. So we have one thing left, and it's our cake. Yeah, the cake is the easy. Is the cake and the cherry blossom were are the easiest, because these two are very hard. This one takes a long time to get off, and this one includes like 9 pieces that you need. And how can you say that? And I know I can say that because I live in India, and I know there's a store. It was like there was a set like of Lego that costed 500 bucks, and it was a set too, because there was just like this and one by one bricks, the 1x2 bricks and 1x1 bricks, and the tiny, what do we call it, like this and this triangle, small triangle pieces. Now they have developed to set 2. Now they have lots of things. Now, if I say so, there were only 3 things before. Now set 2 has many things, like I don't know. Like it's 15 things. There were 3 things in one set. Now there are totally like 15 things. You can get it's available in DMart. Okay, the store name in DMart. Now take this one piece, this one piece, and this one piece. Okay, now we're gonna take a plate, put this like this, this. I put the smaller part here. Now put the plate number 2 here. Now flip it, then put this piece. Now ta-da-da, we have all the pieces we need. I mean the things of Lego. If you want more, and I also released 2 things of Legos, so of mine goes of Minecraft. This is the second one. There was the first one too of Minecraft Lego. So I hope you enjoy, like and subscribe. So bye.